Rome gọi vào ngay đi đi. Hôm nay mình còn khi vào tin này. Khiêng cái gan tatu ấy nó bằng thau khiêng cái gan tatu ấy nó xóa nát cái rasam sambar cái này ta. Vâng. Itu tuan dengan dia. Tu begini kan. Idli dosa kan itu tuai, mai ai tuai dengan tu mai. Okay, very good. Ai theo selalu ni melu hai. Aniu. Pui bam kerana aniu bam dulu bam teh. Bam tu itu lat kat salam ini ai. Hang latau hak mai. There's a saying which goes, no matter what your age, you will always need your mother. I'm sure our sirs here will also agree. No matter what your age, even now, I'm sure that you need your mother, you miss your mother from time to time. Some maybe are not so fortunate to have their mothers around, but some still have their mothers. If your mothers are already weak and in their old age, you can help them by saying that you care for them. No need to give them money, sweets, eatables, clothes at this time because ani pui kang hai ka hal dia me hai nang ta zian ma me ma ni pui mu ta phone we ni pui the phone so tu bang ho and be in touch although we are far away. Call them every week, every day, every 2 days. Tell them about what you are doing. I come down that hey, atong don katan pang that hey, tro hapu that hey, come na I kai kum suda bani hey, kai kalai da bani hey, sai hek bakham sie khat kai ni. Keep in touch with them. That is what they want to hear. There's no need of sending money or gifts. But if you are in constant touch with them, if they feel that, okay, yes, my child still needs me to tell me things or to share her daily activities which is about to happen, that is the most wonderful gift that you can do for your mother. So this is a song, PUATRIU TATMEI lu tu anh mới gọi là thao PUATRIU tao mình ai Okay, so we Nagas normally live on the mountain tops, and because of security reasons, because in those days, our grandfathers' days, there were lions, animal attacks, and so it is easier if you're on the top, you can look out for any upcoming danger, any strange weather phenomenon, so that you are ready. And so on the way, because we live on the top of the hill, the fields are normally down below where the rivers are, and it's a long way coming back to the village. It takes about an hour or maybe sometimes 2. So children, they long for their mothers to come back from the field. Nowadays there is a trend that if you watch a Hollywood movie and the mother is hugging the child and then we say, oh, so sweet, and then it turns out that the mother and love bond is only existing in Hollywood movies or in YouTube videos, Facebook posts nowadays, which is very popular. No, it is not. The same bond, the same intensity happens in our times, happened that times also. Just because we don't express, Mom, I love you, oh, so sweet, Mom, thank you for giving me this. Just because we don't express and we don't say like that, doesn't mean that there's no bond. The bond is still there. And so, in our own way, we love our mother. In our own way, the mothers love us, and there's that connection still going on always. I will sing this song. PUATRIU TATMEI is the act of going to meet the mother who is coming from the field halfway in the evening, and the mothers also long to meet the kids, so they bring melons, corns, and sometimes some beetroot from the field, so that because they know that the child is going to meet me halfway, and the child also longs to be with the mother. So on the way, the child asked, have you seen my mom? Was she coming behind you? And he walks further, and then he waits at some point, and then waits for the mother. Sometimes the mother comes back if she winds up the field work late.